Dry, frizzy, and damaged hair is something that no one enjoys. Are you ready to discover new, groundbreaking methods for repairing your client's hair and achieving the silky, smooth look of their dreams? Nano Mousse treatment is exactly what you need to optimize your client's hair care routine, beating back frizz and preventing split ends while also imbuing their locks with an attractive shine. Like a Botox treatment for your client's hair, Nano Mousse treatment enriches hair with protein, while also coating every strand with a foil-like lacquer, strengthening their hair for maximum thickness, health, and shine. Get ready for vibrant, long-lasting color too. Step 1. Wash hair with Nano Lamination Clarifying Shampoo. Wash twice. Do not use conditioner. Step 2. Totally towel dry hair. Step 3. Divide and clip the hair. Use gloves during the application. To begin the application, separate the hair into 1-inch sections. Shake well before use. Apply directly onto hair a ½ inch from root and comb hair thoroughly with a fine-tooth comb. Massage into hair. Repeat until entire head is complete. Ensure that the solution is evenly distributed and the whole head is saturated with the treatment. Step 4. Leave the treatment for 20 to 30 minutes in the dryer. Make sure the hair is 80 to 99% dry. Depend on the type of hair, curly hair 80%. Before you start blow drying the hair, if you don't have a dryer, you can sit 30 minutes with the treatment and then you can dry with a blow dryer. Step 5. Follow by blow drying the hair to get hair as smooth as possible. Make sure the hair is 100% dry. Section hair. Follow by flat ironing the hair in small sections. Repeat the same section 3 to 5 times until hair is silky. Then follow through heat from base to ends, making sure the iron is continuously moving to avoid heat damage. We recommend using flat iron with different temperature ranges. Fine to medium hair. Temperature range 380 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 193 to 210 degrees Celsius. Number of passes 3 to 5 times from base to ends. Coarse, virgin, and resistant hair. Temperature range 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 to 232 degrees Celsius. Number of passes 5 to 6 times from base to ends. Always use your professional judgment when selecting a flat iron temperature. The temperature should be adjusted on the client's hair type and chemical processing history.